Here is how to make moringa thickening cream. This cream can be used for hair growth. It can be used on the scalp. It can be used on the hair. It can also be used to prevent hair breakage and minimize split ends. Moringa is one of the natural herbs you can use to strengthen and thicken your hair. So today we are going to learn how to make it in form of a hair cream. You are going to be using moringa powder, fresh aloe vera to draw moisture into the cream or into your hair. It also acts as a humectant. We are going to be needing shea butter. You can use mixture of mango butter, cocoa butter. So here is the fresh aloe vera. I've already extracted the aloe vera juice and blended it. Now we are going to be pouring the shea butter inside the clove oil that we extracted in the previous video and put 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. Please, you can use all kinds of oil: castor oil, coconut oil, argan oil, almond oil. You can use 1 tablespoon of each of them. Then of course you have to increase the shea butter you are using if you are to use all the oils that I just mentioned. So when you are done pouring everything, you are going to allow it to heat up using double boiler method, then strain out the oil. Cover it up and put it in the refrigerator to solidify. Hope you are paying attention. Remember that I did not pour the fresh aloe vera yet into the mixture. I just kept it aside. So I'm going to bring this out and start whisking it into a creamy texture, into a very thick creamy texture. Next step is to add the fresh aloe vera. Please add 2 tablespoons of fresh aloe vera into your hair cream. Then keep on whisking everything together until it is properly mixed. Okay, make sure it is properly mixed, because if you don't mix it very well, the aloe vera will be sitting on top of the cream, which is completely wrong. This thickening hair cream can be used for both adults and kids. However, if you want to use it for kids, please use the exact measurement I used in making this particular one you are watching. If you want to use it for adults, then you have to increase the amount of ingredients you are using, such as the castor oil, coconut oil, almond oil have to be used in order to get the best results. Because fresh aloe vera was used in formulating this hair cream, we are going to use a preservative to prolong the life shelf of the hair cream. For the quantity of hair cream we have in the bowl, 1 cup of potassium sorbate is enough. But if your hair cream is more than this, then you have to increase the amount of preservative you are pouring into your hair cream. Then you can also add vitamin E capsule and a preferred scent that you want to use in making your hair cream smell good. As for me, I love to use banana, strawberry and vanilla. You can use any of them or mixture of them. You just have to give your product a unique scent, or your hair cream a unique scent that makes it stand out. So whichever one you want to use is okay. Then mix everything together. At the end of the day, this is what you have. This hair cream will not spoil. It's going to last long. It's not going to spoil at all. Please give it a try and let me know what you think. If you have questions concerning any of the ingredients or concerning the products, let me know and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much.